This car has no roof. This is just protection. I'm going to take this off. All this. Pro steps in. No roof, no windscreen. This is the last time McLaren and Mercedes work together on a car. This is the Sterling Moss SLR. Only 75 of these cars in the world. Look at the exhaust here on the side. That's cool. This is actually signed by Sir Sterling Moss. This is his signature. Famous race car driver. And look, this is what you wear when you drive this car. There's no windscreen, so you got to protect your face from the flies. These ones are special Oakley design goggles for the Sterling Moss, just for driving this car. The top speed is at 350 kilometers an hour. Can you imagine doing those speeds with no windscreen? Mad. This is the key, Mercedes key, pop that in. The start button. This is a supercharged V8 with 650 horsepower. It is worth approximately $3 million. It's worth $500,000 more than that Sterling Moss over there. Because out of the 75 made, only 4 were in white. And out of the 4, there are only 2 with the carbon fiber detailing, like you can see on the body. So, it's got super low miles on it. What we're going to do is switch into this Sterling Moss and go for a spin. This one has the tribute wrap. This is Sterling Moss here. As they get out of here. It's crazy. Alright, let's go. See you on the road. I just had a fly straight in my eye, so I had to put my goggles back on. This is serious business here, guys. This is the button for the spoiler.